Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is fundamental concepts in hypothesis testing, null and alternative hypothesis, level of significance, and types of error. So this is quarter 4 about data and probability DP for grade 11 general mathematics. Again, this is quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 7. Fundamental concepts in hypothesis testing, null and alternative hypothesis, level of significance, and types of error. Our intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to A. Illustrate the concept of a null hypothesis, HO, and alternative hypothesis, H1 or HA, using examples from real-life scenarios. Explain the concept of level of significance alpha and its role in hypothesis testing. Differentiate between type 1 and type 2 errors in statistical decision making. Apply the concepts of hypothesis, level of significance, and errors to practical solving and data interpretation. Null hypothesis, HO. The null hypothesis is a statement of no effect, no difference, or status quo. It is the hypothesis that the researcher tries to test against, symbolically represented as capital letter H sub O. Example. Scenario. A new fertilizer is claimed to increase crop yield. So, the null hypothesis HO, the new fertilizer, does not increase crop yield. Key point: the null hypothesis is assumed true until evidence suggests otherwise. Alternative hypothesis: H1 or HA. The alternative hypothesis is a statement that contradicts the null hypothesis. It represents the effect, difference, or relationship the researcher expects to find, symbolically represented as H1 or HA. Example, using the fertilizer example. Alternative hypothesis: the new fertilizer increase crop yield. Key point: evidence from data supports or rejects HO in favor of H1. Level of significance alpha. The level of significance is the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. Denoted by alpha, common values are 0.05, 0.01, or 0.10. Interpretation: alpha is 0.05 when there is a 5% risk of making a wrong decision by rejecting HO when HO is true. Key point: smaller alpha makes it harder to reject HO, reducing the risk of type 1 error. Types of error. Type 1 error occurs when we reject a true null hypothesis. This is also called a false positive. Example, concluding that fertilizer increases yield when it actually does not. Risk is controlled by the level of significance alpha. Type 2 error, beta, occurs when we fail to reject a false null hypothesis, also called a false negative. Example, concluding that the fertilizer does not increase yield when it actually does. Risk is denoted by beta, and reducing beta increases the power of the test. Key takeaways. HO represents no effect, while H1 represents the effect of difference we are testing. The level of significance alpha is the threshold for making a decision about HO. Type 1 error is rejecting a true HO, false positive, and this is controlled by alpha. Type 2 error, failing to reject a false HO which is false negative, related to sample size and effect size. Correct hypothesis testing helps make informed decisions based on data rather than assumptions. Practice problems for quarter 4, data and probability. Lesson Roman numeral number 7. Fundamental concepts in hypothesis testing. Null and alternative hypothesis, level of significance, and types of error. Number 1. A company claims that their new software reduces processing time. Identify HO, H1, alpha, and possible type 1 and type 2 errors. So we're given company claims new software reduces processing time. So required HO, H1, alpha, possible type 1, type 2 errors. So our solution, HO, the software does not reduce processing time. And then H1, the software reduces processing time. Alpha, the significance of level, which is commonly used, is 0.05. Type 1 error, concluding sa software reduces time when it does not. Type 2 error, concluding sa software does not reduce time when it actually does. Practice problem number 2. A school says the average score of its students on a math test is 75. Formulate HO and H1 if a researcher wants to test whether the average score is different. So we're given average score is equal to 75. The researcher wants to test if different. So required HO and H1. So our solution, HO, the mu is equal to 75. The average score is 75. And H1, mu is not equal to 75. Average score is different from 75. Number 3. A medicine manufacturer claims that their drug lowers blood pressure by 10 millimeters mercury. Define HO, H1, and state the level of significance for a 5% risk. So we're given drug claims to lower BP by 10 millimeter mercury. Alpha is 0.05. Required HO, H1, and level of significance. So our solution, HO, delta BP is equal to 10 millimeters, meaning no effect or equal to claim. And then H1 is delta BP is not equal to 10 millimeter mercury. and then alpha is 0.05.